Every day, we deal with changes, and with our need to control them. Version control, or no control. What's your choice? Version control is most often used to track and control changes to software source code. And changes can be made by different actors. However, to meet change management and auditing requirements, version control can also be applied to the scheduling objects, like jobs and job streams, that are associated to a certain application. Some job scheduling products can track changes to scheduling objects and can tell you when a change was made, but cannot tell you who made the change, and why the change was made. Also, finding out what exactly changed often requires manual effort. What if your scheduling tool could tell you exactly when, who, why, and what, regarding a change to a scheduling object? The solution is HCL Workload Automation, a modern advanced workload automation solution, supporting version control. Workload Automation maintains all versions of your scheduling objects in the database, and you can easily access them from the Dynamic Workload Console. For each scheduling object, like for instance a job stream, you can view the history of changes, discover which user performed a specific change, the timestamp of the change, and the reason for the change. Then, you can compare two different versions in a comparison viewer that highlights the differences between them. You can also restore a previous version. Let's see in details how you can do this. This is Rob. He works as an application developer in a large healthcare company. And this is Marnie. She works as a scheduler in the same company. Rob is working on the new release of a healthcare application for smart diagnostics. He prepares the full set of scheduling objects, jobs and job streams, associated to the application, and validates them in the test environment. The due date has arrived. Rob is confident that the new release can be deployed in the production environment. He just makes a last-minute change to the input file path for a Java class in the defined diagnostics job. Time is running out, and Rob leaves the office without verifying his last change. The day after, Marnie, the scheduler, opens the Monitor Workload user interface and checks the job results for the daily plan. She is surprised to find out that the healthcare application job stream is blocked. The diagnostics job that has always completed successfully, today has ended abnormally. From the Workload Designer user interface, Marnie opens the failing job definition in edit mode. In the Versions tab, she looks at the history of changes and realizes that Rob made a last-minute change the day before. She can compare the failing job definition with the previous one, with no manual effort. By opening the comparison viewer and by looking at the differences between the two versions, she can determine the error introduced by Rob, a wrong file path. Marnie decides to restore the previous version of the job definition. The restore process starts. The previous version is opened in edit mode. Marnie checks the object definition and saves it. The change is added to the database. From the Monitor Workload user interface, she reruns the failing job. This time the healthcare application job stream completes successfully. By using the version control feature, Marnie can quickly and easily solve a problem that otherwise would have compromised the release of the application into production. Version control enables audit readiness, reporting, collaboration, and change management within your company. All challenges that you must overcome in today's business world. Workload automation, work better, live better.